Hi, my name is Kyle Prescott, and today I want to talk to you about scholarships. Yes, I'm talking to you, and you in the back. Every year, billions of dollars are awarded to students in scholarships, but they don't find out how much they've actually earned until second semester senior year, which is way too late. What's an easier way to get this in the hands of students? What if we could actually help students earn scholarships earlier? And what if we could actually award them as early as ninth grade? That's where RaiseMe comes in. RaiseMe is a completely free college readiness tool designed to change the way that students access scholarships towards college. All your students need to do is create an account, follow the colleges that they're interested in, add their achievements throughout high school, and then start earning what we call micro scholarships, which are incremental scholarships that are awarded for things that they're already doing well in high school. You can get micro scholarships for lots of things. You can earn micro scholarships for getting good grades, visiting a college fair, participating in extracurriculars, and so on. Through the RaiseMe student dashboard, students have the ability to learn more about the individual colleges that they're interested in, follow and connect to them, and then see how much they can actually stack up through their achievements. They can be rewarded while striving towards excellence. Once a student actually applies to that school, is accepted, and then enrolls into that college, then the amount that they've earned on RaiseMe represents the guaranteed minimum amount that they'll earn towards college. Educators have the ability to create a free account at our website at www.raise.me and then immediately invite all of their students to use the platform as well. We're creating a clearer future today at RaiseMe. What are you waiting for? Come on and join us!